In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a partner on whop. If you want to start the process of becoming a partner on whop, the good news is that it's very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can move through the application process smoothly and without confusion. To begin, go to whop.com in your web browser. Make sure the page has fully loaded so all of the navigation options are visible. Starting from the main website is important because it gives you access to the official menus and the correct partner-related pages. Once you're on the site, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Affiliates. This section is where whop organizes opportunities related to referrals and partnership activity. If you're not familiar with the layout, take a second to scan the menu carefully so you don't miss it. The left panel is the key place to navigate from here. After opening the Affiliates area, click on Refer Businesses. This option is specifically for users who are interested in helping bring businesses onto the platform, which is what the partner pathway is tied to. If you were expecting a page labeled exactly Partner right away, don't worry. On many platforms, partnership applications are nested inside referral or affiliate sections, and that's the case here. From there, click Apply to be a partner. This is the step that takes you from browsing the opportunity to officially beginning the process. At this stage, you're signaling that you want to be considered for the program. Depending on the current availability, whop may either open a direct application flow or guide you to the next availability step. Next, click Join Waitlist. This means you've completed the current action required to express interest in becoming a partner. If the program isn't immediately open to all applicants, joining the waitlist helps secure your place for future access or review. Be sure to follow any on-screen prompts carefully after this point. And if the site asks for general contact details, enter them accurately so you can receive updates about your application status. And that's it. The process is simple. Go to whop, open the Affiliates section, select Refer Businesses, choose Apply to be a partner, and then join the waitlist. If you follow those steps in order, you'll be on the right path to becoming a partner on whop.